my plus size outfit of the day. If you can see this. Might work better to go like this. The necklace is one I made the chain out of beads. The necklace is one my husband gave me years and years ago. The Black Hills Gold necklace. The earrings I made myself. I make all my own jewelry. Okay, can you see those? And then just a black menswear shirt. That's not working. That has to go this way. Black menswear shirt with skinny jeans. Got my hair down today. Very casual. And just a pair of black tennis shoes. Going to the store, I want to be comfy.